Welcome to the Codex.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to send and receive token JWT token of API for validating user. You can see here I have created a form where contact and password. You can change it or replace it with the username or password or anything. I consider that you are familiar with handling a form. So I have created the form, added the controller. I'm fast forwarding that video because I don't want to make that video so longer. So I'm created here a login and now calling the DIO library. Hope so you haven't added it in your YAML file. I'm adding that timeout, request receiver timeout and connection timeout. If there is an error with the connectivity, it will be catch after 20 seconds. Okay, that 2000 is milliseconds. Now I am calling the method post. Hope so you're familiar with the methods get, post and others. I'm adding the URL and passing the data of the form where is a contact, which is contact controller.text, and password, which is password controller.text. Okay, let's see, this is the IO code, and okay, that's good. I forgot to add await and async. I have added it. This is I'm catching that result into the response. Let's check what the response will become when I'm clicking on the login, and if anything error, it will be catched in the try catch. Okay, let's click something wrong. That is the issue with the socket. Okay, so it's mean, yeah, we cannot use the local host. I have to call it the IP address. So I'm just copying the IP address. Let's check this again. I'm adding response equal to true. The response address code 200 means okay, you have been properly connected. So let's print the response. Yes, you can see the responses here. Success, and the message also come login is successfully. Now I'm just printing status, that's okay. 200 means connection is okay. Now data success will be tell us it's a true or false. That means user login successfully, or if it's a false, then user name or password something is wrong. That kind of the message. And the another thing will come message. If success equal to true, then message will be success, login successfully, otherwise it will be a failed. So let's check. If I add login 5, this is login fail, change your mobile number or password. Okay, now I'm adding on DIO errors. It's basically a DIO library which can handle the catch, especially DIO errors. Okay, now I'm correcting the password. Now you can see login successfully, and you can also see the token. Just let me check response. Response is coming properly, and where is the token? Okay, so it's inside the data. That token we have to say and send it back on every request, so we will authenticate to access the data on the server. So just go to the I'm adding one more library that's called share preferences. Because of this library will save our token for a long lasting. If even you close the application and reopen it, we will find our data in this library, so you can use it, and it's not erased until we erase it, or we will clear the data. So we have to create the instance of share preferences. For more help, you can use the documentation. So it's required await. Wow, check the login. We are getting some problem. Whenever after installation of the library, we have to be rebuild application. So our application is started. Now login again. Okay, there is no error. So you can see here I'm just initializing, and what we are doing, yeah, we are making this library as in public. So we are calling something that widget binding instance at post callback. That method will be called after widget build successfully. If you want to be something changes after application run, so we can call it. So I'm going to be making that our share preferences is globally available because I want to access that anywhere. So I'm just making share preferences as an enable. That's why I'm added a question mark and removing this and adding async. So we can see here this is share preferences now. And one more thing I'm adding is login, is user logged in equal to by default false, and creating the one more function there. Okay, because I'm created this nullable. So is user logged in equal to await, and now checking. First of all, I'm just taking out the token from share preferences if there is a token. Okay, okay, that's nullable because we have been make share preferences as null. So now I'm checking the token is exist or not. Let's open. Yeah, there is a token. Now check if token user login is equal to true and the value is equal to false. Okay, it's a string is not equal. Okay, it's not equal to null. Now, okay, if there is token, we are considering that user is logged in. Now, next thing is I'm just adding something into the column where is user logged in. Additional UI. I will show something else when user is logged in. I'm showing basically creating one column, and there will be some buttons. So that will be says logged out. If you are logged in success, then it will be allow you to be logged out. So equal to let me check that login is equal to true. Then you can see here is a log out. That means whenever user is logged in, it will be automatically show the logout button. Otherwise, it will be show login button. And when clicking on the logout button, it will remove the key token. Token will be removed. That means you are logged out. And now set state. Set state means the screen will be updated automatically. Okay, let me check that why screen not updating automatically. I have to call the set state whenever I need to be update the UI. So I'm saying that user is logged in true and is user logged in equal to false. So let's check. I'm adding user password. Okay, it's done, and now it's logged. Yeah, it's all fine. Now I just adding something else like get data from the server. So whenever user is logged in, we can call the method which is access the data from the server with the token. So this method then we give you the data. Okay, this is the same, just URL change. Okay, and that is actually that is a protected URL which cannot be accessed without a token. So I'm just modifying show code which is the same as a login code. When I'm opening it, it says 404. Status code is a 404. That is exception, actually the exception not status response. Let's check what's wrong with this. This is the 401 means URL wrong or something. Okay, I got a new token. Just add new button which is get data from server. Problem is load data. Okay, everything looks okay, but I have not sent any token yet. So I'll show you that how that I'm just sending the message. It's called unauthorized. Okay, let's see. That's mean you have been not authorized to be access that URL. Now I'm just creating one more option, that's header and authentication. And my token. So many times there is a bearer token. If you are using, you have to add just bearer before the token. I'm just making token as a globally accessible. Now this is the token. Okay, now send the request again. Still unauthorized. Okay, let's see the data. Status field token is required. Something wrong. Let me check. Okay, just I haven't made some changes in the code. You can see here. So it's working now. Great. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Hit like. And don't forget to subscribe.